What's good, YouTube? Is Several Bank. So I want to quickly make a breakdown of this trade that gave me this GBPUSD trade that gave me $71 this morning. Alright, so um, let's just get straight into the analysis. On this, you could see how the price is so rough here. We're just gonna examine um this place. The price is very rough, but you see beneath under this all this consolidation, right? There will always be opportunities, right? There's opportunities. Others like you might not just see it, like it depends on the type of trader you are. you know if you're a scalper, for sure you see opportunities. You always see opportunities, right? Now, if you're always seeing opportunities, it might be good and it might be not good. Like it might not be good, right? So, though it depends on if you are discerned, if you are well discerned enough to know the right opportunity to trade to take, and the one not to take, and when you are to like discipline yourself to stay off the market. Maybe you are on a winning streak, or maybe you are on a losing streak, right? Because for sure, if you're a scalper, you always see opportunities on inside this box. Now from here to here, in fact, if I should extend this chart from here to here, I'm not sure any day trader will see any trading opportunities from here. I don't think so. Even a swing trader will not see an opportunity from here. But being a scalper, you for sure you see so many opportunities from here. So let's just examine what happened inside this box, right? So this is the 1 hour time frame. Number one, first of all, as you know already, the price is what the price is bullish, right? That's our first confluence. The price is bullish. Boom. We've known that is our first confluence. Like oftentimes, like every time, wherever, from now and forever, your first confluence should always be what? Like your first confluence should always be watching the trend, right? Where is the trend headed, right? Is it bullish or is it bearish? So now the price is bullish, right? So now what I did was go down to the lower time frame to see if I must see opportunities inside that consolidation, inside that box, right? So you can see the price is still bullish here, but as soon as we start like going down to the lower time frame, you could see it's making more sense, right? You could see you could see the candles like printing, like you could see the price printing good candles, like healthy candles, right? So now 15-minute time frame, I didn't really see nothing. This other block, I literally saw this other block, right? This from here, right? This particular other block here, looking very, very promising, right? It was looking very, very promising. This particular one, right? I'm not taking my price off of these other block. It's the 15-minute time frame, right? Why I'm not taking my trade off of that other block is I'm not getting enough confirmation. Of course, I can see my confirmations here, right? But I need something clearer, right? So I have to go down to the 5-minute time frame. So I have to go down to the 5-minute frame. Let's see. Of course, it will be cleaner there, right? It will be more clearer there. So what did I see? What did I see on the 5-minute time frame? Number one, we notice this minor break of structure, right? Number one, no, that is not the number one, right? You notice this, the price took out this liquidity, from here to here, right? This is liquidity sitting down here, right? The price took out that liquidity right there. Number two, the price broke, give us minor break of structure from here to here, right? The price give us a minor break of structure. So that is a break of structure right there, right? So what I did now, I had how many confidence right now? That's I had about I'm having three conferences, right? Number one, the price is bullish. Number two, the price has taken out liquidity. Number three, the price has broken structure to the upside, right? So what the fourth confluence is looking for imbalance that the price will go to fill and mitigate any order block. So then I saw, let me delete this vertical line here. So then I saw this one here, right? This order block right here sitting here. So this is where I entered from. I entered from here, right? No, I'm not sure. I think I saw my order blocks from the 3 minute time frame, because my entry to my stop loss wasn't so wide like that. So let's see. I think I'm very exactly. You could see. I saw this is where I saw my entry from, right? This is where I took my entry from. So, why I choose this order block, right? Just like the fourth. What was the fourth conference I said we were looking for? We are looking for an imbalance for the price to fill before going to our fifth confluence, which will be an order block, right? So I see, beautiful this candle is. This is very promising. Sure, this is an imbalance, and this is a very beautiful order block, very promising as well. So that's why I had to take my entry off of this order block. So I entered from here. I put my long position right here. As usual, always give it a space, just because of your spread, right? So I actually said that in the last video I recorded, right, about giving your entry, your initial entry to your giving your entry a space, right, because of the spread, depending on the type of broker you're using, right? So I had to, first of all, it is 30 pips. I'm only looking for 30 pips, right? So I'm only looking for 30. So this is my stop loss. I'm only looking for 30 pips, right? So now what are we risking? We're risking, if we should calculate from here, to this place, right? We are only risking just 8 pips. For what? For how many? For 30 pips, right? All my position, I'm only looking for just 30 pips, like minimum of 30 pips, right? Maximum, is it maximum or minimum? Because at times I'm at leave a runner, depending on how the trade is playing out, right? So even inside the trade, you should, like, don't just place your trade and just stay off the chart. Like, you should even still continue analyzing your trade inside the trade as well. So this is the trade right here. You could see when I entered, the price moved up in how many pips? Let's say wait, this is my measure from here. The price took us in, right, and gave us up to 17 pips, right, and came back down. So here, as soon as I was up about 15 pips, right, so I had to move my stop loss to break even. Of course, you see the video here. I've moved my stop loss to break even here. So I just went off the chart. I went off the chart, like I went to do something, and before I came back, I saw the price is coming down already. Like, bro, I was so fucked up. So I had to, like, since my stop loss was at break even already, I I just like I just closed the chart. I was like, if you should take my stop loss, I'm good, since my initial capital is protected. And even if you should take my stop loss, it's good, since my initial capital is protected. And if you should actually reverse, then that is a win-win for me, right? So to be in my favor, right? So, and fortunately for me, like, when I came back to open my chart, I just saw the price as, pumped back up, right? Bro literally flew back up and from, you know, I was up about 70 pips before. Now I had like the price like this was where I closed. You see the video here, right? I closed about 27 pips, right? I didn't actually wait for the price to hit my 30 pips stop loss, so because I was okay with the profit I saw, right? So of which you see everything beside. Of course, you see everything beside this video here. So number one confluence was what? The number one confluence was the price is bullish. Number two, the price took out liquidity. Number three, the price broke structure. Number four, the price has to feel like I saw some imbalance. I looked out for some imbalance that the price might come to feel, and look for another block beneath that imbalance for the price to mitigate before it reverse. And that's how we made this money right here. You could see, just like I say, you know, if you're a day trader or a swing trader, you might not always see opportunities. That's why I'm not like convenient like swinging a trade, like, because if you must swing a trade, you know, of course you have to deal with the higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame on, bro. So if I'm a day trader or a swing trader, definitely I wouldn't have made no money this like today or even this week after, because this week overall, if you should go to the 4-hour time frame, even if you should go to the 1-hour time frame, you could see the price like purely garbage. There's no trade opportunities, there's no entry opportunities right here for any day trader or any swing trader. Only if you know how to, you know, go down to the lower time frame to, you know, do anything. So that's, though day trader can actually see opportunities right here, right? But spot opportunities right here now, right? But for the swing traders, bro, this week should be a pure garbage for them. So for the video, right? So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to follow me on Instagram as official_olabanks, right? So, and also remember to comment, right, whatever your thought is, like whatever you think, whatever you have to say. Also remember to comment. So that's all I got for now. Peace and love. I'm out.
My bitch, she so bad, she Louis Vuitton. She shaking the ass when I turn on the song. They do what I want, cause they know I'm a don. I came with them straps and I'll hit you with one. Baby so sweet till I pull up the gun. I'll leave your ass dead on the ground for my funds.